Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Mercedes E-Class 2016, and what we've installed on this vehicle is a full sound system upgrade with Audison and Match speakers. So what we've done is we've installed underseat match subwoofers with Audison SR 5-channel amp and with front and rear speakers on the door cards as well. All factory looking, so we have not changed it. And also we installed Audison Audison subwoofer APBX 10AX to provide that nice bass. Just going to show you the door cards and what they look like. So everything's original still, so we retain the factory look. Nothing's been changed or added, it's just changed out the speakers running on a new amp. It really changes the sound quality, guys. It's very crystal clear. So everything's factory looking. Tweeters, the mid-range. Give you a little listen to it. This has been all custom tuned, all to your driving experience, so providing you the best quality and sharpness you can get, and also that nice bass in the back, providing you a really good feel to the sound. If you want this installed on your Mercedes E-Class, give us a call on 028 554 5554 or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansil, IG26QA. We also got demo car setup, guys, so you can have a listen to it on one of our demo cards and what it will sound like. So yeah, if you have any questions, just give us a call and you know where to find us.